Hi, I'm Chris Lantain, Director of Customer Care at Nova Scotia Power. We know you have questions about your power bills, so we're here today to answer some of those questions. We know that estimated bills can cause concerns for you. We want you to know that you will not pay for power that you do not use. Our meters continue to accurately record energy on your home. However, our ability to communicate with them has been lost. We are working to rebuild that, but in the interim, we have hired additional meter readers and have about 100 people who are out reading meters on your home so that we can put the actual usage on your bill. Right now, we're estimating usage based on information that we have about prior energy consumed in your home. It's important to remember that it is just an estimate. There could be factors that influence why it is different from a previous period, such as a change in energy consumption in the home. What's really important to note is that when we can get out and actually read your meter, we will be able to reconcile the actual usage in your home and apply that to a future bill. Yes, we have. We now have about 100 people who are out reading meters across the province. It took time to hire this team, train them, and ramp them up, but we've been at it since July. About 3/4 of our customers have now had an actual meter read that has populated their bill, and we'll continue to work at it and ensure that all customers are able to have the actual readings showing on their bills. Once we're able to obtain an actual meter reading for your bill, you'll now be able to see the energy that you actually use at your home since the last time we were able to read your meter. There's a lot of entries on the bill though, and it can be a bit confusing, so let's take a look. First, what you're gonna see under the energy charges is a deduction or a negative number that takes out all of the estimated charges since the last time we read your meter. In this one line, we include both the base charges and the energy that was estimated to be used in your home. What you're also going to see here is the charges that were actually used in the home. The base charges are applied for the entire period since the last time that we actually read your meter. Remember, those base charges were refunded in the negative number that came out of your bill. You'll also see, based on your meter, information, the actual usage in your home since the last time we read your meter, and that's how the bill works. We've heard these concerns from customers, and we definitely understand them. To support our customers, we're not charging any late fees or interest right now. That said, we do think it's important that customers are making payments towards their bills. What we want to help people avoid is a large outstanding balance that accumulates over many months if bills haven't been paid. Our customer care center has been talking to thousands of customers a day about a variety of topics. We know that for some customers with questions about their bills, it has taken time to reach us, and we do apologize for that. We have been working hard with every customer that does come through to ensure that we understand their unique situation and help find a unique solution for them. We have been hiring people, and we're continuing to hire people so that we can bring our wait times down, and we're working diligently to ensure that happens in the coming weeks. Our teams are working around the clock to restore the connection between our billing systems and our customer meters. Again, it's important to note that customer meters are accurately recording the energy use. We just do not have the ability to talk to them right now. The restoration is complex and it takes time. It's like building a house. We need to lay the foundation before we complete the entire structure. We're working very hard and are hopeful that in the early part of 2026, all of our systems will be restored and back to normal. If you're looking for more information, please visit nspower.ca/billing.